Presenting the 2010 Toyota RAV4. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Run all over town and back home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.